and welcome to another video of the Red Belt Masters. And remember how we showed you Wert? Well, there he is. Wert, the baby bird. Here, I'll get him out. Come on, Wert. Come on, Wert. Wert. Don't be fierce, Wert. Quit eating the cape. There you go, Wert. That's Wert. Wert the pretty bird. He likes to sleep a lot. Yeah, he also poos. I clean out his bed for him. It's pretty easy. Just get the cape, and then his poo will just roll out. Yeah, you can see him. Wert is just a nice little guy. What does he have? He's itching. He does that? Yeah. I've never seen him do that. Here. Yeah, I've seen him do it twice. Wert is our little baby. Here. Ah, dang it. This is like a little cave. Dude, we should tape that or something. Yeah. Well. Okay, I'm going to tell you where we found him. Oh, yeah. And I found him right here. In that spot. Right here. And no, like that's a that's a vein in a blood vessel. Oh, it looks like blood. So I can't find it. Oh yeah, his nest is somewhere up there. He fell from down here. Anyway, show the nest. Here, I'm gonna see if I can see it. Yeah, here. I can't see. Alright, so he fell from that height. Anthony found him here. So I picked him up and got the cape so he could go to sleep in his bed. If I were him, I would love it in there. But he doesn't have any rules. Just sits there and naps and poos. All he wants. There you go. I don't know what he wants to do, but I don't know. He was shaking all around like he was dancing. Ah, man, Wert, you pooed again. Ah, dang it, a little though. Yeah, you're a little. Okay, I'm fine. Yeah, there. Isn't Wert just a lovable little bird? Except for when he poos. No, dude, birds don't have any rules. That won't change a thing, you know. Yeah. Here, look. Hold the camera, I'll do it. Hold the camera, I'll do it. Alright. Said hold the camera. There. Look at the camera. Wert isn't used to being on YouTube. Actually, he's never been on YouTube except for our last video. Yeah, that was for a little time though. Okay. So, have this. Right there. And here we go. Carrot. Here, just have a time to look at it. There. Wert, do something. Yeah, do something incredible. There. Here. In front of the camera. Too close to the camera. Dude, quit it. He's like afraid of heights, remember? Yeah, he's like a chicken. Yeah, except much more smaller. Yeah. Darn, here, stand up. And much more of a chicken than a fierce falcon. Do you think he can do you think he'll be fine if he lays down like that? Maybe. I mean, we found 4 birds. The last one was a chick, but it didn't survive. It didn't have the will to live because
Here, hold up. I gotta try
another
something.
chicken pecked its eye out.
I want to try something. Here. Birdie. 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 Open your eyes. Birdie. Birdie.
Come on, birdie. Birdie. Come on, birdie. Come on, birdie. Come on.
Speak already. Oh.
I bet he's gonna like his new home.
Nom nom.
So, what we give him to eat is water and dough. He likes dough.
Here, hold it. Here, hold the camera.
In fact, sometimes we think he's gonna choke on the dough, but actually just swallows it perfectly.
I gotta get some water.
Just for a couple of minutes, he just opens his mouth, opens, close, open, close. It's because he's chewing it. But right now he's full. He's kind of cold. Guess I could put him. I don't know where to put him, but we live Wert. It's like he's one of us.
25. It's at 25.
Alright. No, dude, don't feed him water.
No, just a little.
Alright. Okay, so, guys, thank you for watching, alright? And see you next time. Bye.